together, make we feel alright. One love, hear me say, one love, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and make we feel alright. Let's get together, make we feel alright. Jamaica, this is a beautiful country. It's such a beautiful country that we don't even know how beautiful it is. But being able to move through all parts of Jamaica and see the people firsthand, see the culture, the rich food, the heritage, the mangoes during mango season, I know this is a beautiful country. So I'm appealing to every single Jamaican to take pride in your country. Look into yourself and say, yeah, I want my country to be a model country where people from all over the world can come to and want to come to. Because guess what? We talk about this, there's no money in this country for the poor people. Yes, there's no money for the poor because we do not allow ourselves to grasp that money. That money is there for each and every one of you. All you have to do, just go out there and get that money. You don't have to do much to get that money. All you have to do is just live peaceful and loving within yourself, one person to another. And guess what? People from all over the world will come here. They'll pay millions of dollars. And the economy can go up and tourism can be boosting like it normally used to be when I was a kid. Seeing people coming, walking through the streets of Montego Bay where I grew up. Jamaica, this is your country. This is your place. People dying to come here. People want to come here. So look, we ease on the crime and violence, Rasta. Look, we stop kill one another higher. And make the world know, say, Jamaica is still the nicest place to come to here. One love, one love. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, make we say, one love, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and make we feel alright. Yeah man, Jamaica, a beautiful place man. Come home to Jamaica. Big Stone says so.